Hey, it's time to slay. So I just wanted to show you these beautiful curls straight out the box. She has one comb in the back, two combs on the side, and she features a 5-inch or 4-inch side part, right side part to be exact. So I'm removing this hair lace per usual. You already know. So this time I just was like, I'm gonna just, remove it with the scissors, okay? Now, this wig has so much hair to play with, okay, ladies? I know she is a fixed part wig, so I decided to go with a side bang. That's why you see me straightening the roots of this wig. And I did it with a plug up straighten comb, girl. I didn't do the old fashioned one, because girl, if I would have put it on the burner and put the old fashioned straighten comb in that we used to get our necks and our the BB balls on the back of our neck, straighten with back in the day, girl, all the hell would have clumped up, boinked up, and came out, right? So that's a little plug-in little hot comb, okay? So yeah, so all I did was just run that through the roots. Made sure that it was nice and flat. Sprayed some, got to be sprayed on that, swoop bang part, and got to it. And as you see, I did a nice little, cute, simple baby hairstyle on the side that is going to be mostly out, with a little bit of sideburn action, and I melted it in place with the blow dryer on a high setting. I don't think I showed it, in this tutorial, but I also, applied the heat from the blow dryer on the swoop bang as well, in order to further keep it in place. Now, as you see me styling this little swirly, it came out really, really cute, but once I do the review for it, I am not going to be having that swirly, so don't get excited. You're not going to see it. By me playing in this hair, y'all, it got a little bit of frizzy, so I definitely had to take some mousse and some agua and comb the curls back down. And I love these curls straight out the box. They were so beautiful, okay? So it was almost as if I took some real Brazilian bundles and curled it myself, but I didn't, okay? So I definitely took my foundation, and that's what you see, and I applied it. Yeah, so voila, it's on. Okay, it is on, and I must say it came out really, really cute. It was giving me my real 90s flavor, with the swooping. I enjoyed styling this wig. I had so much fun. It took me less than 15 minutes to do, so she is definitely really, really quick and easy to do, and she is lovely. Stay tuned to the further commentary. Hey, Juice Drops, Juice and Nisha here, and I'm back. You already know what your girl back to do, and that's show y'all a really, really cute wig. Okay, girl, my mama got on me, okay, y'all? My mama got on me about the way I pronounce Braylon's name, okay, all right? I was pronouncing her Briallen. I swear to God, I went to school. All 12 years of it. Like, I swear. She was like, girl, that is not how you pronounce Braylon's name, baby. It's Briallen, not Briallen. Braylon, baby. Okay? I wish I would have been there to correct you on camera. I wish I would have been there. That's what Mama JuiceDrops said. Okay? So, it's all good. We're gonna get this name of this wig right. Are we? Aren't we? Okay, yeah, I think we are. Girl, how you say your name? Alondra? Alondra. Huh. So, what color do I have Alondra in, girl? Alondra. We have her in a DR2 cinnamon wine. Okay? Alright? Alright? I'm getting real wine right here. Like just all wine. And a little bit of cinnamon. I'm not getting the cinnamon. I'm not. But it's cute though. So before I be like talking about her, let's get into her further details. Okay, now that we're back from Alondra's further details, let's get into the 360, shall we? We're back. I'm gonna give y'all the pros, then I'm gonna get in y'all face, and then I'm gonna give y'all the cons, and then I'm gonna get out y'all face and let y'all go on with the rest of y'all day. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 pros about Alondra, okay? Pro number 1, the curls are gorgeous, okay? She's giving me real flexi ride curls. Like you know, you just like take some real hair, you know, and put your what it is, lot of body, set mousse on that, and you know, put the flexi rides in that thing, put it under the dryer, and then you take it out and bam. That's what she's giving me. She's giving me real flexi ride vibes, okay? Cute curls. All right, what else? This color. I know I always compliment the color, and the color is always a pro for me. Even though I don't know what a cinnamon at, the wine is cute, okay? The wine color is really cute, and it's giving me real burgundy wood black roots, all right? So, do I have a third pro for this wig? Pro number 3 is how full and thick this wig is. Okay, Outre, y'all must have listened to your girl when I went on that long soliloquy about y'all first couple of melted hairline wigs. Whatever number in the series that Seraphim was, y'all must have listened, went back to the drawing board, kept the fire hairline, and added more hair. I know y'all was listening to me. Thank y'all for taking my pointers and my advice into consideration and doing better. Yay! Okay, can we give them a thumbs up? Woo! Yay! Okay, do I have any more pros to give Alondra? Nah, let me get in y'all face. Okay, I decided to go with a swoop bang because there's a lot of hair, and it's a lot of hair in the front of this wig. So I decided to make a side bang out of the amount of hair that is given, okay? All right. I went with some simple baby hair action with a little, you know, simple sideburn action. On the tutorial, I did like a cute little swirly design, but I didn't like the way that it looked and the way that it was positioned on my head. So I decided to just, you know, comb it down and make it regular. This wig is tight, very tight. And I'm gonna save what I have to say about the way this wig fits for the cons. As far as putting in a swoop bang, you know, it pretty much made it much, you know, easier. I didn't glue it ear to ear. As you can see, a little bit of the tab is kind of like, you know, trying to pop up. But with the way that the hair falls with this swoop bang, you can't even really tell. Today was a very hot day. I did wear her for almost a day now. She popped up because it's a hot summer, right? So, but how thick and full and pretty this hair is, you can't really tell because it kind of falls like that. All right, so you can't even tell that she just blowing in the wind and flapping in the wind on that side. But let's not pay attention to that. Let's go back over here and just, you know, admire how well blended and laid and melted this hairline is. All right, okay. If I have to say so myself. All right, it's cute, it's cute. Okay, all right. All right, so I think it's about that time to get out y'all face. All right, close up over. Okay, now that we're done with the close up, let's get into the cons so I can give y'all ladies a rating and go away into the next time. All right, so con number 1 for this Alondra wig definitely has to be how tight this wig was. Girl, story time. I put this wig on last night, so I didn't have to fool her when I woke up. And girl, this wig is so tight that I forgot this wig was made by Outre Perfect Hairline, and I started accusing and blaming Bobbi Boss. This wig gave me Bobbi Boss flashbacks and terrors. Of all the other tight, headache prone, and unbearably not spacious, the opposite of spacious ass wigs Bobbi Boss be giving people, all right? And it got so bad. Now I already, when I got ready to wear this wig, I already removed the adjustable straps in the back. And so that wasn't enough. My head was throbbing, y'all. Okay? And I had to reach in my little cubby hole in the door in my car and pull the scissors out that I'll be saving, you know, to cut packages and coupons and shit. I had to take that out and get to snipping right here in the bag. I snipped. I didn't care how much I snipped. I didn't care if I snipped hair in the process. Y'all, I just needed relief, and quick and fast, because your girl had a really, really bad throbbing headache, and I had no Aleve, medicine, Tylenol, or nothing with me, okay? So I had to do quick surgery, and I had to do a little snip, and a little tuck, you know, and I had to reach under the bang, y'all, with the scissors to kind of lift this part of the wig off my forehead so it could just stop throbbing and give me instant relief. And that's what I got. It gave me relief once I snipped it and pulled it off my scalp a little bit. Okay, Alondra is very, very tight, and she is the total embodiment of the opposite of big hair friendly, y'all. So kind number 2 will have to be, once again, Alondra is one of those Outre melted hairline wigs that you want to just look at and wear and appreciate how cute she looks, but you don't want to touch her. You don't want to run your fingers through her. You don't want to just, you don't want to disturb her, because if you do disturb her, you're going to get your fingers stuck in knots. Look at that. Knots. So do not touch her. Do not run your fingers through this hair, okay? Just let the cute curls look cute, and don't touch her. Don't do it. I done pulled all my bobby pin down. Don't do that. Don't touch her. So I don't know if she quite shed yet, y'all, because I haven't really brushed her. So let me see if I get any shedding, just, you know, trying to see before I give y'all a rating and let y'all go. Oh girl, yeah. Yes, she sheds. Look at that, y'all. She does shed. Okay, so with that, let me go ahead on and give you ladies a rating so I can be out the door. Out the door, okay? All right, so what I rate Alondra is, I definitely have to rate this wig a 7. I do, and that's still high. That's still worthy of some claps and yay and cheers and stuff. But the reason why I decided to give Alondra a 7 rather than an 8, she was so tight. And yeah, your girl got a big noggin, a 23-inch head with plenty of hair underneath, but that's not the point, y'all. I've had Outre melted hairline wigs, and I've had Outre perfect hairline wigs in the past that fit me just fine. Matter of fact, I love these wigs in this line, especially the Outre Perfect Hairline series of wigs. I love them because of how big head friendly they are. And girl, this one, girl, gave me the blues. It gave me a hoitin'. It was hoitin', girl. It had me hoitin'. So, and the fact that, you know, she does shed, she does tangle, which all these wigs do that. I definitely had to take that into account because I've only been wearing her for a day. And wearing her for a day, it shouldn't be already... I told myself not to touch her. And I touched her anyway. But just to show you, you get stuck in it. Alright? So, as long as you don't be running your fingers through this wig, and as long as you have a 22-inch or smaller head, you are in luck. You might like this wig even more than I did. I do like her, and that's why I gave her a 7. But girl, yeah. So with that, ladies, thank y'all so much for watching this tutorial and wig review for Alondra. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow your girl on Instagram at Juice in the Shade as well. Bye.